Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. Go to New, Solid Modeling, Part Modeling, untick this Use Default Template, click OK. Now, we are going to use a mm as a unit, choose mm, Newton Solid, click OK. Now, go to the model. While planning to draw any component, always draw a material adding feature first. First I am going to extrude this feature. For this, go here, take this front plane, sketch view. I am just drawing a center line. Press the roller to confirm. Now draw a symmetric line, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now this line I have drawn, the dimension is 56. While drawing any complex line or complex 2D geometry, first create a single line and specify the dimension, then you start drawing the remaining parts. This dimension is 56 and this height is 15. Now go to fit screen. 56, this is 15. Now go to freehand sketch and draw the model. Take the line, connect this point, connect one, join this one, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now these two lines are equal. For that, select this point, these two are equal, again confirm it, go to select this one and this one is equal. Now go to the model, this height is 5 and this distance are 12. Here this height is 5. Go to dimension, this distance is 12. Now every dimension we have specified, just click OK, just rotate, go to the sketch model. The extrusion length is 75. Go here, go to extrude, change into symmetric. This distance is 75 mm. Press the enter and click OK to confirm. Now we have modeled this one. Now go here. Now we just want to model this cylinder one. For that, we don't have any reference surface here. For that, we just want to move a datum plane from here to here for the distance of 63. Go here, we have a datum plane at the bottom. We just want to move this datum plane to 63 distance. For that, select this plane, go to plane, this distance is 63, press enter, again click OK. Now we have moved our datum plane here. Now go here, yes, we have moved. Now select this plane, go to sketch view. Now we just want to draw a cylinder here, just fit to screen, go to circle, center line, first circle and second circle, press the roller to confirm. Now go to the model, inner diameter is 22 and outer diameter is 36, the extrusion length is 25. Go here, inner diameter is 22, outer diameter is 36, this distance they are not specified, they have specified a distance of 100 from the edge to center line. Go to dimension, this point and this edge, this distance is 100. Click OK. Now just go to extrude, change the direction. This distance is 25 mm. Press the enter and click OK to confirm. Now we have done this one. Then we just want to make this rib. For that, go to model, select this midplane, go to sketch, sketch view. First we just take the reference for your model. Close, go to line, join this one here, 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 and connect this one and press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to specify the dimension. For this distance is 36. Go here, go to dimension, this point axis to this point is 32. Remaining are connected. Now go to the model, again check this distance is 36. Now we are done. Just click OK, go to extrude, symmetric, go to the model. This length is, this thickness is 12 mm. Press enter and click OK. Now you check here, there is a gap between this edge. This has to be closed. For that, go to sketch, edit sketch, go to the front view, go to line, just extend this line into some distance and close it and click OK to confirm. Again click OK to confirm. Now just rotate and check. This line should not go further. Change this into 5. Okay, now go to delete segment, delete this segment, click OK. Now again click OK. Now you see here the extrude updated automatically and this gap is also filled. Now go to the model. Finally we just want to make 2 holes of diameter 12. Okay, for that select this surface, go to sketch, sketch view, take the reference of center line and this bottom edges. Just close, go to circle, place a circle here and click. Again place a circle here. Here it shows equal diameter. Yes, click OK. Press the roller to confirm. Now go the model. The diameter is 12 and this is 12 and the center distance we just want to specify as 45 and this has to be symmetric. For that go to symmetric, select this point, select this point and select this mid one. Now this is symmetric. Now one more dimension is there, that is this 28. For that go to dimension, this distance is 28. Automatically undo it. Now click OK, just rotate. Now extrude, flip the direction, remove material, change into to next, click OK. Now go to standard orientation. Now hide your planes. For appearance, go to view, appearance, choose any one of the color, select the spot, change some other color, white, click OK. Now we have done our model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have an idea of drawing the same component in an easy method, please comment me, and if you found any mistakes also, please comment me. Thank you.